That loud crunch and bold flavor seem simple, but the journey behind every Doritos chip is far more fascinating than you might imagine. It starts with something surprisingly ordinary: corn, harvested in huge quantities before an industrial process transforms it completely. Inside the factory, millions of kernels enter a high-speed production system where ordinary corn is about to become something completely different. The cleaned corn is carefully cooked and softened, preparing each kernel for the transformation from whole grain into a smooth corn-based dough. Next, powerful industrial grinders break down the softened kernels, creating the smooth corn mixture that will eventually become the chip's foundation.
The ground corn is mixed into a consistent dough, giving the future chips the structure needed for their distinctive shape and satisfying crunch.
Precision rollers now flatten the dough into a thin, even sheet, creating the perfect surface for the iconic triangular chips. Now comes the transformation everyone recognizes. Precision cutters stamp the thin corn sheet into thousands of perfectly shaped triangular pieces. The freshly cut triangles enter hot oil, where controlled heat transforms the soft corn pieces into light, golden, irresistibly crunchy chips. As the chips leave the fryer, excess oil drains away, revealing the golden, bubbled texture that creates their signature, satisfying crunch. But the crunch is only half the story. The chips now enter a seasoning drum, where bold layers of flavor coat every surface.
Before packaging, the seasoned chips are carefully inspected for consistent color, shape, texture, and even flavor coverage.
Automated vision systems then scan the moving chips, separating imperfect pieces so only consistent product continues toward packaging.
Before each bag is sealed, automated scales measure precise portions, keeping the amount of chips remarkably consistent from package to package.
Measured chips are sealed inside protective packaging at incredible speed, locking in freshness before each finished bag moves toward the final line. Before leaving the factory, every sealed bag passes another quality check, making sure the packaging is secure and ready for its journey. Once approved, individual bags are grouped into shipping cases, with robotic systems arranging hundreds of packages quickly and precisely. The filled cases are securely closed and sealed, protecting thousands of finished chips as they're prepared for shipment beyond the factory. From the production line, sealed cases move into a massive distribution warehouse, where they're organized and prepared for the road ahead. The factory journey is over, but the chips still have one important trip ahead, leaving the warehouse and heading towards stores across the country. Loaded and ready, the shipment begins its journey across the country, carrying thousands of freshly packaged chips toward waiting customers. After the long journey, the shipment finally reaches a store, bringing the factory-made chips one step closer to the customer. Now the bags move from shipping cases to the store shelf, where thousands of finished chips wait for someone to take them home. After traveling from field to factory and finally to the shelf, one simple choice brings the entire journey to its final destination. After an entire industrial journey, the chips finally arrive where they were meant to be, right in the middle of an ordinary family moment. And after everything, the corn, the machines, the seasoning, and the journey, it all comes down to that one unmistakable crunch. And after everything, the corn, the machines, the seasoning, and the journey, it all comes down to that one unmistakable crunch. And after everything, the corn, the machines, the seasoning, and the journey, it all comes down to that one unmistakable crunch.